So hello, this is the first video diary entry of the Slovakia expedition. I'm Peter, your expedition leader, and we are on the way. We just crossed the border of Slovakia, close to Bratislava, the skyline you can see there. And with me is Kathy, Daniel and Marcel. This is Kathy, our strategy director. The right title, yeah?
Yeah,
okay.
That's good.
And Daniel, our assistant expedition leader, and Marcel, who is a German wolf expert, joining us. And we are on the way with two cars, the shiny Discovery over there, and the Defender pickup, which is called the Beast, my favorite actually. And in there, Kathy will present what's there.
A lot of gear, a lot of snowshoes that you can't see.
Oh yeah.
Oh
yeah.
They're very exciting. And lots of poles and a big barrel, which has no beer in it, but we can sort that out. No, lots of walking poles and snow gear.
Okay, and more we will show you once we reach base. See you later. So we are here in Ljubljana at base, and as you can see snow, and I'll show you around. So this is the Villa Astoria, our home, our base. It's a villa from the Hungarian Empire here in Ljubljana. And so we have the small lobby here. And here's our communal room with fireplace and two busy people preparing stuff for you, Daniel and Marcel. And here is all the gear for you, and we are getting ready. Okay, and now I show you one example room.
Hello.
Hello, Kathy.
Hello.
So as you can see, this is a multifunctional bed, office and bathroom. And this is one example how the rooms are here. How is living here, Kathy?
It's very warm in here. It's
Okay.
nice. I'm having to turn the heating off to stay comfortable, but yeah, they're great.
Okay, so this room expect you.